Hi everyone! Today is Stitch Fix Day! Hooray! This is not my first Stitch Fix. I've done this before, so hopefully it'll be a good one. I asked them for a furry jacket like I asked for in my Dia box, and I think I asked for dresses that are easy to wear to work and just casually around. So hopefully they listened. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Got the knife. Okay. Woo. All right. Close the knife. And I'm going to put the box on the ground because it's a little bit big. So, it looks like I have two burritos in here. This is the return envelope and my prices and note. Here is burrito number one. It looks like it's a leopard print jacket. I'm very excited. I guess I'll open that up now. And it is. It actually feels like a perfect weight for this this weather that we're having. It is a peacoat type style, and it's a really cute leopard print. It's not too heavy, so that's good. It's by Vigos. So we'll see what that looks like on. Moving on. This is the second burrito. So I think this is going to be an exciting Stitch Fix. Unwrapping the second burrito, starting with the bottom. Whoops. Oh, dropping things. Okay, so I got a turtleneck sweater. Is it a sweater? Oh no, it's a cardigan. It's like a waterfall cardigan. I have something very similar to this, so I probably won't keep this, but I'll definitely try it on. It's RD style exclusively for Stitch Fix. This is from DM Collection. It's a dress. It's really cute. I like the pattern a lot. It has a tie waist, and it looks like it's just to the knee, so that's exciting. And then I got another navy and white dress. So, and this one has like piping down the front, or I don't know if that's called piping, but it looks like piping. Anyway, so that's really cute. This is from DM Collection as well. And then finally, I got a green and black dress. It's similar to the blue and white one that has like the knot pattern. It's V-necked, and it's from Leota. So that's a really good box. I'm really excited. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep at least two of these things. Let's try stuff on and see how they fit. So this is the first dress. It fits really well. The only thing that I'm a little concerned about is that the material is kind of thin, so you can kind of see every lump and bump, which I'm not 100% sure how I feel about that. I don't know if I'm going to be comfortable in it all day, but maybe with a pair of tights or maybe with some control underwear, I would feel better about it. I think the 3/4 length sleeves is great, and it's really light, like I said, which is good for the climate where I am right now. So this is a definite maybe. I'm pretty excited about it. So this is the second outfit, or dress. It's really, really cute. Again, I'm feeling a little self-conscious about my belly in this, but I think I can get over that. This is slightly thicker material than the other one, and it's got not a crew neck, and it doesn't have sleeves, obviously. So I think this is a hit as well. I'm a little worried about the price of all of these items. We'll have to see what it pans out to be. So this is the third dress. I absolutely love it. I love the color of it, and it's a little bit low cut, so I might wear a tank top with it if I was going to work. But other than that, I mean, I think it's lovely. I love the 3/4 length sleeve. I don't feel as tummy conscious in it because it's a little bit more A-line, so it doesn't hug around my stomach like the other one did. Although, like I said, I think I can get over the other two. We're going to have to see what the price is for this stuff, because I think I want to keep all 3 dresses. So hopefully the other 2 items are also a hit, but we'll see. So this is the cardigan. It is great. Like I mentioned before, I have one that's very, very similar to this, but I don't know what the price is for keeping the whole box. I'm getting a little ahead of myself because I haven't tried the coat on yet, but I would consider keeping this because it's a piece that I have already and love, and I wear that other piece a lot, so maybe it's getting worn out. So I could definitely justify buying this to myself. This is the coat. I am on the fence about it. It's a little bit big up top, but my husband pointed out that if I was wearing a big sweater underneath it, I wouldn't have to worry about that. It fits in the shoulders pretty well, and I think the arms are a little long, but they feel good. So like I said, I'm on the fence. I will have to see how much it costs and how much the whole box is, because otherwise I really like the 3 dresses. So it might be worthwhile to keep everything. We'll see. Okay, so I have the price list here. As you can see, I'm wearing this dress. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep it, so I left it on for the video. This is the Leota Ray Jersey faux wrap dress for $88. I think that's a pretty good price for a dress that I'm going to get a lot of wear out of. And then I've got this cardigan. This is the Sonole, Arty Style is the brand, and then it's the Sonole open cardigan in light gray for $68. So I think that's a good price, but like I said, I already have one, and I don't think I'm going to keep the whole box, so I'm going to be sending this back. Next is this coat, which I'm conflicted on. It is the Vigos Maria printed coat in brown, well, in leopard, for $118. I think that's a pretty good price for a coat. I don't know if it fits me as well as I think it does, so I would like your feedback if you have an opinion on it. I have a couple of days before I have to send this trunk back, so let me know what you think in the comments down below. Then this one is the DM Collection Sunny dress in navy, and the cost for that is $138. Like I said, I was a little self-conscious of my belly in it, so I'm not going to keep it. And then the last thing is the DM Collection Laurel Jersey shirt dress in navy, and that was $108. And again, I don't feel super comfortable in it because of my belly, so I'm not going to keep that. So definitely keeping this dress, might keep the coat. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.